Hello everybody. Today I'm in Praiá Resort Residences located in the heart of Zona Romantica. Today I'm gonna give you a tour of the construction update. As you can see, we're already done with the structures of the building. So now we're moving forward with a drywall for all the ceilings of the units. So please join me to the tour. And like I was saying, and at the same time, we're working already with the electrical and plumbing of the building. If you're still looking to invest in the heart of Zona Romantica, don't hesitate to contact me. We still have some units left. Thank you so much.
Praiá Resort Residences.